Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Pleexy. What we are going to be going through today is how to connect different Asana accounts to your Todoist via Pleexy, obviously. And this one is a bit tricky because what happens is that Pleexy identifies the Asana account that you're logged in your browser. So in order to be able to connect different accounts, you have to log out of your account and log in with the other one. So that's a bit tricky, but we're gonna go through it and I'm gonna show you how it works very easily. So perfect, let's get on it. So right now here I'm in Pleexy. I'm gonna log in with my Todoist, and once we're logged in, I'm gonna create my Asana connection, right? Let's give it a minute or less. I am not gonna go through any of this setup because we already have other videos and resources for it in our help center and stuff, so you can't go and check them out. But yeah, what we can see here is that I connected Asana with Jorge at Pleexy.com, which is this account that I'm logged into, right? So that's what happened right away. Now I'm gonna log out of Jorge and I'm gonna log in with the contact at Pleexy if it loads. And let's give it a minute for it to log in, and perfect. Good afternoon, Pleexy. We can see that now we're logged in with contact at Pleexy.com. And what I'm gonna do is just go through the same flow again, right? I'm gonna go, I went, connect Asana, cool, everything is good. I'm gonna save, and now you can see that I connected my Asana account. Sorry, my contact at Pleexy account. So if I come here, I would have the Jorge at Pleexy and the contact at Pleexy accounts, which are different, completely different accounts. They're both coming to your Todoist. If you want, you can give it different names. You know the drill. And yeah, I hope this is useful for you. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out via the in-app chat. Is the best way to do it because our developers and everybody in Pleexy has access to it and all the data, so we can help you. And yeah, I hope you have a great day or night or whatever you are at, whatever time you're looking at this. But take care and keep being productive. Bye bye.